2025 is shaping up to be the biggest year yet for SAP. New cloud rollouts, AI everywhere, low-code development, sustainability mandates, and more. In this video, we'll cover the top 5 SAP trends of 2025 and show you exactly how to leverage them to supercharge your SAP career. Let's dive in. Trend number 1, S/4, HANA, Cloud Acceleration. By 2025, 90% of new SAP Greenfield projects will be on S/4HANA Cloud. Public cloud editions deliver rapid innovation through standardized quarterly updates, while private cloud options let you tailor industry-specific processes. Migrating from ECC to S/4HANA Cloud slashes infrastructure overhead, improves performance, and unlocks embedded analytics. Deep dive. Lifecycle management. Understand the SAP. Activate methodology. Discover, prepare, explore, realize, deploy, run. Each phase has accelerators, pre-configured content, and guided configuration. Extensibility. Learn how to build side-by-side extensions on BTP rather than modifying core code, ensuring your custom logic survives updates. Hybrid scenarios. Many enterprises will run a mix of on-prem and cloud systems during transition. You'll need skills in cloud connector, cloud integration, and data replication via SLT or data services. Career tip: position yourself as a cloud release specialist. Highlight hands-on and sandbox trials of SAP Cloud ALM, and familiarize yourself with cloud identity authentication. Action: enroll in SAP S/4 HANA Cloud, Essentials on OpenSAP, join SAP's quarterly community calls, and publish a blog post comparing public versus private cloud features. Extended detail plus 100 words. Large organizations are building Center of Excellence Co-E teams to govern their cloud operations. As a specialist, you'll define governance frameworks, monitor update impact, and coordinate UIs across Fiori apps. Dive into SAP's Roadmap Explorer to track upcoming releases and get certified in SAP Cloud ALM for overseeing end-to-end processes. Trend number 2, embedded AI and machine learning. SAP is weaving AI into every module. Auto-matching invoices in MM, predictive cash flow in FI, demand forecasting in SD, and talent insights in HCM. Beyond standard bots, SAP's AI business services let you customize flows. Document information extraction. Automatically read unstructured PDFs, extract line items, and post them in MIRO. Predictive accounting, AI models forecast. GL account balances, flag anomalies, and propose journal entries. Service ticket intelligence. In Service Cloud, classify tickets and route to correct support teams. Deep dive. Model lifecycle. Learn how to train, monitor, and retrain models in SAP AI Core. Data pipelines. Connect SAP Data Warehouse Cloud or BW/4HANA as data sources for your ML services. Governance. Understand explainable AI, data privacy, GDPR, and SAP's responsible AI principles. Career tip: build an end-to-end POC. Ingest sample invoices, run the document info extraction service, and post entries via BAPI. Document your architecture and share on GitHub. Companies in pharmaceuticals and manufacturing heavily rely on batch traceability. AI can predict quality issues by analyzing inspection lot data. Master SAP Integrated Business Planning's ML-driven demand sensing to help clients reduce stockouts. Certifications in SAP AI Core and Business AI Services demonstrate your capability to translate business challenges into AI solutions. Trend number 3, rise of low-code, no-code on SAP. BTP SAP's BTP ecosystem, powered by SAP Build Apps and WorkZone, enables citizen developers. AppGyver, drag and drop UI components to build mobile Josh Web Fiori style apps. Build process automation, design workflows with BPMN, connect to SAP and third-party APIs via SAP Integration Suite. Build WorkZone, create role-based launchpads, embed custom apps and insights. Deep Dive, OData and KAP, leverage the Cloud Application Programming (CAP) model to expose your low-code apps to SAP backends. Event-driven architecture, use SAP Event Mesh for real-time notifications, e.g., trigger a workflow when inventory drops below a threshold. Career tip, develop a purchase approval app. Build a simple UI, connect to via OData service, and automate email notifications. Publish it to the SAP App Center and detail your process in a case study. As enterprises embrace citizen development, governance frameworks become crucial. Lead sessions on governed empowerment, teaching how to set up entitlements and review extensions. Earning the SAP Build Expert badge signals your leadership in this space. Trend number 4, sustainability and RISE with SAP RISE. With SAP Bundles S4, HANA Cloud, BTP, Ariba, and Signavio for holistic transformation. Environmental compliance, manage hazardous substances, track waste, and automate compliance reports. Product footprint management, calculate carbon footprint across procurement, production, and logistics. Circular economy, use Asset Intelligence Network to manage end-of-life and reuse scenarios. Deep Dive, business transformation, leverage Signavio process governance to map current and future state processes for sustainability. Integration patterns, connect IoT sensor data for live emissions tracking, feed into S4 for real-time ledger entries. Career tip, pitch a pilot for your organization. Integrate Ariba to source sustainable vendors, and visualize impact in Analytics Cloud. Global ESG regulations like CSRD and SEC climate rules pressure companies to report. As a green ERP architect, you'll design data flows from shop floor sensors to S4 compliance reports. Master SAP's Sustainability Control Tower and become indispensable. Trend number 5, skills and careers in 2025. Synthesizing trends. 1. Hybrid functional technology consultants. Combine a core module with BTP low-code skills. 2. Analytics and data specialists. Build dashboards in SAC, embed AI predictions in Fiori. 3. Cloud architects and security leads. Design secure, multi-tenant landscapes and identity management. 4. Sustainability and ESG experts. Translate regulatory requirements into SAP functionality. Deep Dive. Upskilling paths. Follow SAP Learning Hub journeys for Analytics Cloud Modeler, Integration Suite Developer, and RISE with SAP Architect. Practical exposure. Volunteer for internal COE or Innovation Hub projects to work on POCS. Action plan. Self-assess. Map a 12-week learning plan. Join SAP certification roadmaps and set weekly milestones. Use mini projects to validate each new skill. Emerging roles include AR/VR experience designer for training simulations in SAP Enable Now, blockchain ledger analyst for traceability in supply chains, and digital twin engineer in manufacturing. These niche domains reward early adopters. Enroll in specialized micro-credentials and contribute to SAP's Open SAP discussions on future technologies to build your brand as an innovator. 2025 is your year to ride the SAP wave. Cloud, AI, low-code, sustainability, and new career paths await. Which trend excites you most? Drop a comment below. Don't forget to download the free SAP 2025 SAP Starter Sheet from the link in the description, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a deep dive. See you in the next video.